So what is more important to you, hair or your skin? Coming from a bald guy, believe it or not, hair is important to me, but I need to start taking better care of my skin, and that is where Geologie comes in. And this video is in partnership with Geologie, which is an amazing company. A simple skincare routine for every man, just 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes at night. Geologie gives you a personalized skincare routine that leaves more time in your day for the things that matter. And let's walk through the process, which is incredible. So here's their site, get started, and it walks you through step by step how to pick the best routine for yourself. So as you can see, unfortunately, I am in my 40s. Do I have a skincare routine? No. And it's asking you questions that are super important to the end result. It's just like hair care. What is important to you? What are you looking for? What kind of results do you want to see? Even if you're unsure, this walks you through step by step. And honestly, for someone who's not a huge skincare guy, and now I'm going to be, it's very reassuring knowing that this kind of method and this walkthrough process is guaranteeing that I'm getting the best products for me. Now I'm uploading my photo here, which is pretty cool. And there it is, the nice money shot, and oh, I'm sideways. But regardless, it's still picking up my face. And, you know, as far as primary goals, it's really up to you. And then you enter your email address, and then it actually picks out the products for you. You get it shipped to you, and then you're ready to begin your process. And these are high quality ingredients, very, very effective ingredients. And I've got the face wash, the morning face cream, and these products are designed to be kind of foolproof, right? The directions are simple. It's a step-by-step process, starting with the face wash. Obviously, it's like with hair care, you need your pre-styler, how are you starting off the whole hair process? And in this situation, I'm lathering this into my hands and working it through. You definitely want to make sure you do have some water on your face so it lathers up pretty nicely. And I'm also, as you can see, going in on the forehead. You can't forget about the forehead because it's part of your skin. You just don't want to go on your eyes or in your eyes, but you want to make sure that you're getting your whole entire face. And the great thing about it is that I actually feel like my face is being cleansed. It's not one of those things where it's all hype. You put it on your face and you still feel like your skin is oily. Now here I'm patting down instead of vigorously rubbing the towel on my face. I'm just lightly kind of patting and taking it easy. And the next product is the Vital Morning Face Cream. And this is kind of going to be that daily face cream that is going to live on your face, which makes me feel like, yes, something is there, something is actively benefiting my skin. And that's what I love about this type of product, is that, it's just sitting there on your face with all these great benefits. And it's just same thing like hair, you need that nourishment for your face. And next I'm using the Nourishing Eye Cream. Now, I tend to have light bags under my eyes, probably from working so darn much all the time, but what I'm going to be doing is just kind of dabbing it right on the soft area, right under my eye, not in the eye directly or the eyelashes. You want to just get it right on that kind of puffy area. And, this is great for right when you're ready to go to bed. It basically, while you're sleeping, it's working while you're sleeping. So this is pretty much a morning routine and then a evening routine for me because I feel like that is going to be the best thing. So my thoughts on the experience from the 30-second or so quiz and the questionnaire that you take in the beginning is, I think, really unique. It kind of holds your hand and makes the process a whole lot easier while if you're unsure, right? Even for myself, I'm not really sure what's going to be best for my skin. And Geologie makes it very, very simple to do that. And then another thing is I actually can feel the products working, all right? Even, now at night, I can feel the eye cream working, and in the morning using the cleanser and the cream, the Vital morning cream, it just, these are things that aren't irritating because I have very sensitive skin, but I feel like there's something working on my skin, which is nice. And the one thing that also is really incredible is that they really stand behind their brand, and they have exceptional customer service. I mean, I've even emailed them a number of times with some questions, and they really were very, very helpful, which was awesome. And I love that in a brand. Even with myself, I try to answer all the questions if anyone has any questions about my products. And I think the fact that the customer service is definitely up there, great reviews. And also, which is really awesome, if you use code SALON30, the number 30, SALON30, you get an additional 30% off of your order, which is pretty generous. And they even have a trial for less than $1 a day, which you can use that code, and it makes it very, very affordable to do a trial. So I think if you're looking to get into a better skincare regimen and you want to really make major improvements, I'm going to be using this for as long as I possibly can, and I want to make sure that I'm taking care of my skin, especially as I'm getting older. And I feel like sometimes with men, we neglect that. And even with someone like me, I'm all skin. I'm all head and basically all skin. Yes, I have facial hair, but it's basically, as I get older, I want to look as young as I possibly can. So good skincare is definitely a benefit and the way to go. So definitely check out Geologie. The link will be in the description below. Again, use code SALON30 for 30% off your order. And thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with TheSalonGuy.